If you are a fashion designing student, sewing lover, you love to make things or create your own dresses, or you love DIY or craft projects for your home or for your children, then this video is going to be very useful for you, because I've seen most people who love to make things or create dresses, they find it difficult to procure things while saving their time, because it takes a lot of time searching for sewing machine, supplies, fabric, trimmings, and different so many other things, even the parts of your sewing machine. Especially if you are going online and searching for the things and you don't know exact name of the thing that you are searching for, then it becomes all the more headache and a time consuming exercise for you. So in that way, sometimes you give up and sometimes you end up frustrated, like where to go, how to buy, what to buy, and you have to do with the things that you already have, or you have to entirely give up your efforts of searching those stitching supplies or sewing supplies that you wanted. So in this video, I'm Dimple Anand, and the purpose of this channel is to help you not being a stitching lover but a smart designer. So today in this video, we will be doing a stitching mall tour, and where you can check out the shop, you can see the different products that exist in this stitching world, this beautiful world of making dresses, making things, beautiful things. So here, this is the shop, and let's visit it, check it out, and I'll also provide the link below, so you can click on that link and see the store for yourself. You can go to the Google and write stitchingmall.com. So here you get to see checklist to choose your best sewing machine, stitching mall, and either you can click it or you can simply press enter. While you press the enter, you can watch this, you can see this website stitching mall, and here you have different options about us stitching, where you can get some tutorials and tips and tricks to learn stitching on your own, stitching machines, where you can get different reviews, views, comparisons of sewing machines. Then stitching business, if you are into stitching business, how you can grow and or create a stitching business. A blog where you can have different things, how to videos in Hindi and English, FAQs related to stitching or sewing, and of course the last option, but one of the most important option, is shop. So when you click on shop, you go to the stitching mall shop page, where you will find all the resources how you can be a smart designers. In today's time is really very important, and while you buy things online, or you look at the different options that are available for you, this stitching mall shop, this you can also check the stitching mall dot amazon.in shop at Dimple Anand. So I have this shop here, and here you can see, if you are like most people love to make jeans, and I've also shared the tutorials, different tutorials, you will get different materials, different things you will need for stitching your own jeans. Besides, if you are looking for a sewing machine that is under 20,000 in India, you can get all the machines here. Like here I have listed about 16 items. Then some of the best machines under 15,000 rupees in India, like best sewing machines under 10,000 in India. Likewise, there are needle threader, needle ripper, best sewing tools for drafting, tailoring, sewing, best quality interfacing, buckram and fusings for stitching and fashion designing, best quality lace and trimmings that you can see. And not only this, you can also find some of the best umbrella sewing machines for boutique use, motor, and the different tools. Now, the most important thing while you do stitching or dressmaking, you need the fabric. So you can also get to see different types of different quality, best quality fabrics for sewing, fashion designing. Then if you are a beginner, or for your school or college projects, or for your travels you need a sewing kit, then you can also check that out here. There are different options available. Now the extension table, if you buy an automatic machine like this one, the one I have, Stitch Magic, then you can also go for extension tables, and there also you'll get more than 10 items that you can check out. After this, the small things, small accessories you need with your machine, like sometimes it's bobbin and bobbin case. So here you have, like for automatic machines there would be different bobbin and bobbin case. For full shuttle machine there would be totally different bobbin and bobbin case. So here you can see the different types that are available. Not only this, the fabric glue, because not everybody and everywhere you like to stitch, sometimes fabric glue can do the work as effectively as your sewing machine, or rather better than the sewing machine. So in those places, tiny places, in emergencies, you can use the fabric glue. So you can check it out here. Now the best sewing machine oils that are available, I'll just show you. So here you have some of the best sewing machine oils that are available. Now when you go back, then best presser foot for automatic sewing machine. One of the common questions that I receive, what are the different types of foot? I also shared the videos, different videos related to these foot and how to use them. So here you can see one of the thing, this is the hem guide, the presser foot, and this you can see, and the different things like embroidery foot, the set. So these foot, even you can have the set of the foot. These also you can check out the reviews. You can watch on Stitching Mall channel. Now coming to the next, people love brother machines because they are very economic and they give more features. They are not available in India after the lockdown. Still, we have some of the best reviews and best machines that are available. You can check them out here on this channel, and the prices available. So even the brother machines are given in this channel. And after brother, the Usha Genome automatic zigzag machines, they are the most popular one, number one in India. So starting from the machine that I have, you can have different options, a beginner friendly stitch, dream stitch, or more advanced machine like Usha Genome Stitch Magic. So these are different models for home use and home purposes. Now if you want to know how to find more about them, you can click on any of these buttons or any of these machines, and you can get to know more about these machines, the price, features, everything. So this is one of the way. Now we go back, and here while you see, you can also see thread, because thread is also an important thing. Then sewing patterns for beginners and fashion lovers, because you may be requiring like blouse patterns, frog patterns, toy patterns, or how to make different draftings. So here also you can see, get to see different magic patterns. So the using the simple patterns, you can make multiple types of dresses. When you go back, you can also check button collection, different thread, needles, and scissors, beginner friendly machines, even manual machines. Now Burnett machines, Burnett is also, some people love Burnett because Burnett is a company known for the sewing lover couple who started this company. So this is the entire section given to Burnett itself. You can see the all machines, the tools, the, because the general presser foot, they do not apply on Burnett. So for Burnett there are specific presser foot from Burnett itself. That's why we have given a specific section to Burnett itself. Now after Burnett, you can also see we have mini sewing machines, because mini sewing machines are also something people want to know. If you want to know more about mini sewing machine, the pros, cons, different types, that you can also check on stitchingmall.com website. So here the different machines that are popular and which are value for money, so you can also check that out. Now coming back to, you can have the beginner level machines, the singer machines, then one of the sewing machine accessories sections. And if you want to create a YouTube channel like the Stitching Mall or Stitching Mall Hindi, you can also check out the accessories or the different equipment gadgets that I am using for my YouTube channel. So these are different things that I've been using, and also you may also use, because I have been using them for quite a long time. Now, one of the important things that I want to share with you, this is earn money sewing. I started earning with the sewing since the age of 10. And to compile all those things, people wanted to know how I started earning, what was my journey, how you can also start your sewing journey. So you can also see this book here, and this compiles everything that is important to start a sewing business. So this is the mini tour of your stitching mall shop. You can check each and every section. You can click any of these sections, and for example, best needle threaders, so you can check them out, and only the selected ones are given here. Tried and tested ones are given here. So I'll provide the link down, and you can just click that and check this out. Just let me know in the comment section what exactly you are looking for, what you loved in this shop, and what are the other things you would want us to add in this shop, so that your process of buying things or procuring things for your stitching hobby or your stitching profession could be easier and more fun. Have a nice stitching. Take care. Happy stitching. Love you. See you in the next video.